Well, hello there, YouTube. I just entered into Rocky Mountain National Park. I stopped at the visitor center just to go to the restroom. Oh, here we gotta pay. I hope I got enough money, or I hope they take a credit card. We'll find out. Bye. Well, just for reference, guys, if you come through Rocky Mountain National Park, it's $25 now, which is it's actually gone up. I think the first time we came it might have been 10, then 20, now it's 25, but it is absolutely beautiful. So if you come through here, it's worth every penny, I think. And you'll see once we'll go way up there, and there's elk. Last time we were here, this whole field was full of elk. Everybody was stopping. People are crazy, man. They walk right up to them to get their pictures. There's no way. Those things are huge. But anyway, I'll turn it back on once I get into some really pretty area. This is absolutely incredible. You gotta do, if you come to Colorado to ride, you gotta do $1 Million Highway from Durango to Ouray, and then you got to come here and do the Rocky Mountain National Park. It's just incredibly beautiful. Anyway, I'll turn it on when I get up a little higher. Bye. Okay, coming up, my stupid GoPro went into photo mode, I think, so I didn't get anything coming up, but I'm not up to the top yet anyway. This is pretty. Well, I don't know if I got video coming up here or not. These gloves don't press this button very well, and I keep changing it to taking off a video mode and going to photo. So still going up Rocky Mountain National Park up to the top. So you go up there, there's no more trees, which is kind of cool. But anyway, I hope I got it. I got off to get the view back there, and I sent my wife a text, and I says, this is where I took a picture of you, and I'm looking at the scenery, and you're just sitting on the back of the bike. She doesn't enjoy these trips as much as I do. I don't know why. Beautiful country, but she just says it's just rocks and trees, rocks and trees. I don't see it that way. I think it's gorgeous. This is why I've been up, this is my third time to Colorado and doing these routes over and over again. I just think they're beautiful. I just love it. Because I'm kind of in the hill country a little bit, but not really. It's nothing, nothing like this. It's just beautiful. Anyway, I had to send my wife a photo. She'd come with me if I had more notice, but I didn't realize I had all this time off for the 4th of July, so I figured, whoa, I'm going to put in for 3 more days and take a trip, and she couldn't make it because it was just short notice, so I did it by myself. So I've never been up any of these roads or any of these mountains not pulling a trailer, which is kind of cool. It is more fun when my wife's with me, though. You got somebody to talk to, and it's more fun than going solo. But I had to do it because I wasn't going to get a big trip this year, so now I did. So I'll turn this back on in a little bit when I get up to the high country. Bye. Well, cool, I'm up in the snow already. You can see how when you use like a Honda trip planner or whatever, if I do this too early, it won't let me take this route because it's all closed. So I have to wait until summer to book it, otherwise it won't take me in this area. Yeah, look at the sticks, that's pretty cool. And they're cemented in too. Anyway, we're getting up close to the top, I think. Well, not yet, because we still have trees. We've got a ways to go yet. This is beautiful. Look at the snow and the trees. That's pretty. I haven't seen any wildlife yet. I'm sure there's longhorn rams up top, and there'll be elk. I think the elk are up higher now because it's probably a little bit too warm for them down below, so they kind of wander up high. You can imagine how much snow falls up here in the winter, that they have to put these big huge sticks up to see where the roads are. I wonder how they would plow them. They got to push it off to a side somewhere, or big snow blowers. I don't know how they do it. Pretty cool though. Hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I do. This is just, you know, that's why I wanted to shoot video for me, you know, future reference, because I still watch all this stuff. I did in, I think, 15 I came here, 17 we came here, and then I did it again on 19. So every other year I'm in Colorado. Just love it. Now someday I want to do Yellowstone, the Black Hills, but my wife said she would do that, but she wants to trailer it. Maybe get a pickup truck and rent a trailer and tow it up there to the Black Hills, and just, you know, find a place to stay and just ride up there, a lot up there, instead of the whole trip up there. And that's doable, because that is pretty far. That's really far for us. And someday I'd love to do Yosemite. You know, I'd probably have to trailer it out there, because you know, it's just kind of far from where I'm at. Oh, cool, tandem bike where I'm at in South Texas. Anyway, beautiful. I'll turn. Oh, there we're losing some trees up there, so we're getting up there. Ooh, boy, look how deep that snow is on the side. That's fun. There'll be snow up here where I can pull over and walk in it too. It's really kind of wet because it's melting. Oh, look at that road, goes way up there. That's where we're going, way up there. I'll turn on when we get closer. Bye.